The Point of Sale is a flagship product in the Roller suite. It's built for speed, allowing your staff to complete actions with minimal clicks, meaning more time spent engaging with your guests. In this video, we'll be showing you the following key attributes of the Roller Point of Sale. Beginning with its ease of use and speed of checking in guests who have online bookings. Next up will be the process of selling tickets to walk-ins, then showing you how to assign waivers to tickets. And finally, the flexibility of customizing your point of sale to suit your business. In another video, we'll show you the other functions of the point of sale, including food, beverage, and merchandise sales. But this one is all about the checking in and selling tickets. So, let's get into it. On the left-hand navigation bar, the first button is to search existing bookings that have been made online. You can scan in the guest QR code that they would have received in their email, which brings up their booking instantly. Or you can use the manual search function by simply typing in their name or booking ID. Here, you'll see a list of items that the guest has purchased online. You can easily check in each item by clicking this box here. And this will mark the item as redeemed, and the guest can proceed to enter your venue. If your business requires waivers to be signed as part of the entry process, you will see an additional requirement here to attach the guest's waiver to the ticket so that you can let the guest through. The waiver search tool has some great functionality that helps you find waivers as fast as possible, such as suggesting customers that may have attended together in the past, or if waivers were recently signed at the waivers kiosk or self-serve kiosk, they will float to the top for quick assignment. Some venues do also require stickers to be printed for their guests. If that's the case, you will see an extra button here that you can click to print the stickers. If you have larger bookings, Roller's Point of Sale has a mass check-in functionality built in. This means less clicks and more efficient staff. So, finding guests that have booked online, assigning waivers, and checking them in is fast, it's simple, and ensures your guests are flowing in nice and fast. Next up, the Point of Sale also allows you to sell tickets to those that may not have booked online. Here, you will navigate to those other buttons on the left-hand side, which will present your ticket options for sale. You can select the tickets they would like to purchase based on time, or if your venue does not run on time-based tickets, the options become much simpler. You can build your order, add up sell items, then check out. You will be presented with a few different tender types to complete the payment, then you're done. If your venue requires waivers, there is an extra step in the sale process which requires you to attach the waivers to the tickets in order to complete the transaction. Customizing your point of sale is also super easy. You can configure what you want to sell on each page, plus customize other settings to tailor the experience to meet your business needs. It's simple, it's intuitive, and built for speed. So that's it. We hope you guys enjoyed this short demo of the point of sale.